So hey guys, this is the HP Smart Tank 589 printer. So first of all, let's just test the printing speed of this printer for both black and white and color print. So here I gave the printing command and let's see. So guys, for a black and white document, it hardly took 5 to 6 seconds for this printer to print it. Now let's just try to print a colored photo. So I'll just take a selfie. And I'll just click on print. Let me just start the timer as well. So as I've been using this printer for the last 6 months, I know that color printing takes a lot of time. Let's just see how this goes. Oh. And guys, it only took 30 seconds for this printer to print this image on 1/4 of the paper. So as you can see the quality of the image, it's not too bad actually. So guys, now I certainly hope that you got an idea of the printing speed of this printer. Now let me just show you printing this same image on this photo paper, and then we'll compare these images side by side. So obviously guys, these photo papers are a bit glossy and we get a very crisp image on such kind of sheets. So I got these photo papers from Amazon. If you want to buy them, I'll leave the links in the description, or you can go to a local Photostat shop near your house and get it for even cheaper. So alright guys, I've clicked on print and let's see how much time it will take. By the way guys, if you want to buy this printer, it is available on Amazon as well and on Flipkart as well. Click the shop icon right over here to buy this printer, and trust me guys, I've been using it for over 6 months now and it is doing pretty great. Also guys, till the printer is printing the image, let me tell you, I do not make videos in English. It's just an experiment to see how good of a response these English video get, and let me know comments down below in which language you want me to create videos. Alright guys, so let me just compare these images side by side. Obviously guys, as you can see, the photo is much better on the photo paper and the colors are much more crisp and vibrant. So guys, if you genuinely want to see a side-by-side comparison of all these images, let me know comments down below. I'll upload all these images on my Instagram account and then you'll get a better idea of the quality. But still guys, as you can see, the difference is not minor, it's major. So just for reference, in the previous video which I made about this printer, I took a printout of this image. So guys, as you can see, it's in full A4 size image, and I certainly hope you're getting an idea about the quality of the image from this printer. So guys, this printer also has an option for duplex printing. So guys, I'll just show you what I mean by it. So guys, if you want to take a printout of your normal voter ID card, Aadhaar cards, which are printed on both the sides, so in this printer you don't have to flip the pages. There is one mode called the iCard mode or the duplex printing mode. It is not exactly duplex printing mode, it is an iCard mode. So I'll just show you what it does. So let's just assume that this is my Aadhaar card and I'll just place it right over here. I'll just click on this iCard mode and I'll just click on this button right over here, which is for color printing, and this will not print it yet. It will just scan the front side of my ID card. So after the first scan, it is telling me to flip the card. So I'll just flip the card as well, just like this. And guys, now it will scan the other side of the card and print both of these cards on the same sheet. I'll just show you. I'll just click on right over here. And guys, after scanning the other side, it will take a printout of this in whatever format you have selected. For instance, in this, I have selected the color printout. Alright guys, if you are liking this video, just make sure to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button as well. And let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions regarding this HP printer. Although I have tried to cover each and everything. And guys, as you can see, this is one side and this is the other side. So guys, without flipping the page, I got the printout of both the sides of my card, as you can see. So this is a pretty useful feature if you want to take a printout of your ID card. So some of you guys were asking me if this printer has a photostat feature or not. Obviously guys, this has a photostat feature. You can photostat things from it, you can scan things from it, you can also use a USB if you do not have internet connection. So if you don't have a Wi-Fi router with you, you do get an option to use Wi-Fi direct as well and the USB as well. So guys, we do have an HP Smart application through which you can do almost everything for this printer, like taking printouts, scanning documents, printing documents, scanning documents through your camera and then printing it to your printer. So this do has an option for print from anywhere. For example, you are not near your printer and you want to print something on this printer, HP does give you an option for print from everywhere. But guys, I have tried each and everything, this feature is not working for me. So guys, I've been regularly using this printer from the last 6 months, and guys, the inks are still intact. They are still almost full. I usually print black and white documents from this printer, yet the black ink is still full. So in the initial days, my pages used to get stuck inside the printer, and guys, I certainly hope that was happening because I was constantly shifting my printer from one place to another. But guys, once I had this printer set on my table, after that I didn't face any problem with this printer. So guys, if you are planning to buy this printer, make sure to have a designated spot for it. Do not move it from one place to another. So I've also created another video about this printer that is in Hindi, and in that video I've shown the first impression, the unboxing, how to set up this printer, how to use Wi-Fi with this printer, and all the pretty basic stuff. So this video is more focused on the printing quality and printing speed of this printer and the features that we get with it. So basically guys, I certainly hope that I have almost covered everything. Again guys, if you want to buy this printer, I have the links in the description and on the shop icon right over here as well. Let me know comments down below if I have missed out anything and if you have any questions regarding this printer. So basically guys, I think that stuff was pretty much it for this video. If you guys are here till the end, just drop a like. Let me know comments down below if you liked the video, and if you didn't like the video, let me know in the comments down as well why didn't you like it. So basically guys, that is it, and I'm out. Jai Hind.